Good morning, General A&P students, and welcome to week 8 of our course. This week we continue our study of the nervous system, and in lab you're going to study the special senses, which is parts of the spinal cord, the eye, and the ear. So the eye and the ear are part of what we call the special senses. So this week we have a closed note webcam-based lecture quiz. So if we go into week 8 here, 1026, if we go into the lecture folder, you'll see that there is a quiz. This is a closed note quiz, but I have added all the objectives, the learning objectives, to help you prepare for this quiz. So if you're able to define each of these terms and know a little bit about each of those, you should do okay on this lecture quiz. And also I prepared a Quizlet for you, and this is really helpful. Students that are doing well in the course say that they use this Quizlet to prepare, and it really makes a big difference. So do take the time to use the Quizlet to your advantage and study those terms and concepts. Also, I want to draw your attention to our formal assessment number 2. So this is your next partner activity, and it's down here at the bottom under assignments. You have to sign up by this Wednesday, 10 p.m. So this Wednesday, please sign up for a topic that you're going to create a 10-slide PowerPoint for, and then you're going to save that PowerPoint as a PDF. It's really important. I have it highlighted in yellow in here to save that PowerPoint as a PDF so it easily loads and is visible in Blackboard. So be sure that somebody is squeaking their dog toy here. Excuse me, sorry about that. Anyway, so you're going to make sure you save that as a PDF. And then you're going to make a comment on those different projects that people have prepared in the discussion board. And you're going to comment on the content. Very, very important that you comment only on the content and not on the quality of their presentation, because you're not giving them a grade or evaluating their presentation. You're just having a nice discussion about the disease or disorder. So that's how that works. So if I click on this title here, there's a sign up page, and if I click on the sign up, again, you're signing up in partners, so you cannot work alone. So it's best to find a project that doesn't have or that maybe has one person who's just waiting for a partner, because on Wednesday at 10 o'clock I'll go in and I will assign people that haven't signed up yet. So these are taken. The fact that you cannot enroll in these two here, it's blank, means that those are taken. They already have 2 people. But these with the gray little tab here that say view sign up sheet, that means that there's room in those groups. There's one or none that have signed up yet. So you can go in and look at each of those disorders. So be sure that you sign up by Wednesday the 28th at 10 p.m. so you get the disease or disorder that you might be interested in to research, and then you can get started with your partner. But don't get started on anything until you've worked with your partner. And once you sign up with your partner, what you're going to find is they'll be over here on the left-hand side underneath weekly office hours. You're going to see the title of your group, and it'll just be the name of this disease that you picked, and you'll click on that, and that's where you and your partner have access, and you can do a Blackboard Collaborate session and really interact through that group. And I did have a separate announcement on how the groups link works, so if you need a refresher on that, you can go to my announcements tab, and I talk about how to use the groups link. And that is, I'll show you, I'll just scroll down here, find out where that is. Let's see, right here. It's how to use your group link in Blackboard. So if you need a refresher on how to use that, just watch my video. So I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you in my virtual office hours. Again, click down here if you want to meet with me privately this week, or you just want to pop in on the office hours. Do email me and I'll be sure to show up. So have a great rest of your week and stay